Assalamu alaikum everyone.
Walaikum assalam.
And a very good afternoon to my respected teacher, my dear friends and teammates, and to my knowledgeable opponents. My name is Sana, and today we all have come here to debate on the most exciting topic, which is about the privatization. That is it a good system or not, or should a country adopt this system or not? So in my approach, means in my eyes, privatization holds a lot of significance and holds a lot of importance. And I would say thanks to our former finance minister, who was Dr. Manmohan Singh, who brought this policy through the LPG privatization. So let's embark the debate with my unaware opponents. So till now, I hope that you must have got this thing, that where the privatization exists, the development of the country exists. Where the privatization exists, growth of the economy exists. Where the privatization exists, progression exists. So you must have got to know this thing very well. Well, leave this thing, leave the development now. Let's talk about the another thing, that is dependence of the people. You know what? Because of the privatization and with the help of the privatization, when the privatization comes in the country, so people become self-dependent. And people, it is a fact that people get a chance to become self-dependent. People get a chance to contribute in their country. People get a chance, means people get the opportunities of jobs and employment in the country. And these are the biggest advantages of privatization, which we get through the privatization in the country. Next thing is about India. When I talk about the country like India, where private sector and government sector both are available. So here when I find this thing in the country, but still I find this thing that in India, poverty still exists. Poverty still exists even after the 75 years of independence. Even in the presence of government sector, your so-called government sector, even in the presence of that, poverty still exists in our country. Can I ask this thing to my opponents, that why does the poverty still exist in our country even in the presence of your government sector? As you all are saying that you all are having this biggest illusion that this government sector can vanish or can remove the poverty from the country. So it is a misconception and nothing more than it. Privatization can remove the poverty by making the people self-dependent. Next thing is about social welfare, as they all are having this confusion as well, that privatization only thinks about itself. Is private companies only think about their own profit, but it's not true. Indirectly or directly, they also do social welfare. How? Competition. As my teammates have already told you about this thing, that competition increases through the privatization in the country. How does it happen? When the when the market becomes the open market and free market, so everybody tries to join the market and everybody tries to establish their own business, their own companies in the market. So thus the competition increases in the country. Because of the competition, they try to compete each other, and they try to be better than each other, one another. They try to be better than one another. So thus the social welfare schemes are also provided by the privatization or by the private companies. So now you cannot claim this thing. Next thing is about salary, as they always talking about salary also. Okay.
How many next things do you have? Okay. Hello everyone. I am Rihan, and today, as we all know, that we are doing debate on a super controversial and super debatable topic, that is all about privatization. That is it good or bad? Well, in my approach, I personally believe that privatization is the biggest threat of our world. Sorry. That it is the biggest threat of our world. Now, why am I saying this thing, and why the privatization is the biggest threat of our world? Let me tell you in my speech. First of all, as she was mentioning, that where privatization exists, that country develops. Where it exists, progression takes place. Where it exists, this happens, that happens. Let me tell you about Ethiopia. Let me tell you about Mongolia and many more countries. Those are the most underdeveloped countries, and there is privatization. Are they developing even? Not at all. So how can you say that the country which have the privatization develops? Not at all. You cannot say like this. And second thing, I wanna just give answer to some of my beloved opponents named Shaista. As she was mentioning about the demotivation, that in the public sector we get the demotivation. So sister, it's not like this that Shaista, demotivate, demotivate, demotivate. You got demotivation. It's not like this, okay? And how can you just say this thing that because of the public sector we get the demotivation? Means which kind of connection is that? Your interconnection is good, I think. Second thing, I want to talk about the Ayan. Hey, Ayan lifestyle. Nice man. Nice things you do, brother. You know what happens when there is privatization? So the healthy competition increases, like him, healthy competition. You know what? On the one hand, you are saying that there is healthy competition like you. On the other hand, your sister is saying that there is, if there is competition, so it's a bad thing. So what do you want to say? What do you want to say? On the one hand, you are saying there is healthy competition like me. On the other hand, she is saying that competition is a very bad thing. And she is also saying competition is a good thing. So what do you all want to say? Just clear it first.
Okay. So as this person is saying about the development, that development doesn't take place because of the privatization. You know what? Whenever the word privatization comes in our mind, the first word which comes in our mind, that is development. And from where are you coming? From where are you coming? And you are saying that privatization, because of the privatization, development doesn't take place. Next thing is about monopoly. Not Adnan. Adnan was mentioning about monopoly. That monopoly can create or can be formed in the privatization. So brother, there is a solution of this problem, that monopoly, whenever the chances of monopoly increase, so there the competition comes. Competition comes. First thing is about competition, that people compete each other. So like this, monopoly can never form. Okay. Next thing is about government. When the chances of the monopoly becomes more, so that time government intervenes in that thing, in that situation. Whenever the private companies try to be over smart, or whenever the private companies increase the prices of products for the citizens, so in that condition the government intervenes there. Like take the example of Delhi's electricity. Delhi's electricity is private, okay, but here the people get less bills. Why? Because of the limit price, because of the government has set some certain limit price, means certain prices limit. That's why the government means, that's why the privatization of electricity in Delhi is good here. So now you cannot say that monopoly can form. Next thing is about salary. Let me mention about salary, as they all were talking about salary. That salary, we don't get better salary in the private companies. So it's your misconception that we don't get. We get promotions. We get promotions also in the private companies or private sector. So with the help of promotions, we can get better salary also. Or somebody was mentioning here about, Talha was mentioning that servant, we become servant in the government sector. Brother, how can you say that in the government sector we become servant in the government sector? We become servant in the government sector, but we can never become the servant in the private sector, because there we have the chance to establish our own company, to establish our own business. So you cannot say that we can become servant in the private sector. Now you may see.
Take this and go home. Again, I want to talk about the Ayan lifestyle and the most beloved person of the Mustafabad. You know what, brother? As you were telling us some conspiracy theories, like the people who abuse. Listen, you lifestyle. The people who abuse lifestyle. I'll take all your lifestyle out from your body. Listen, you know what were you saying? You were saying that the people who abuse, they are in the government schools, and the people who do not abuse, they are in the private schools. Like this. You know what? If it would be like this, so all the bad people of the world would come in the private schools and they would become pavitra. First of all, the private schools in the private sector is not the Ganga Jal and all. Okay, so they will become a good thing. You may speak.
So what do you think about private school? In government
Yeah, let me
school,
tell you
in
what do I
government
think.
school-
Let me tell you what do I
Let
think
me
about the
tell-
private
let
school.
me speak.
Now you
No,
asked
I'm
me.
speaking.
You asked me.
I'm speaking.
You asked me.
You will answer in your
Sister,
turn.
you asked me.
Answer in your turn.
Speak as soon as
So as they all were talking about facilities also, that we get facilities also in government school. So there is no facility really, and we need facilities sometimes, because we cannot study in garbage. We cannot study in just some worst things. We cannot study like this. So we need facilities also, and that thing we can get only in private sector, private schools, private hospitals, and in these all things we can get. Now speak.
Yeah. Naved brother. Assalamu alaikum brother. How are you? Brother, you were mentioning about the Delhi Metro. First of all, let me correct you. That's government. See the result of the private school, Arun model. This is what is happening in the private schools.
Okay.
This is what I think about the private school. And second thing, there was one of the person named Adil brother. He was mentioning about the nepotism. In everything there is nothing but nepotism. Whether it is Bollywood, public sector, private sector, this sector, that sector, there is nothing but nepotism in his approach. Listen brother, that's the challenge which we have to cover. Like if there is nepotism and if there is competition, so that's the challenge for you. Overshadow the people who are from nepotism. That's the challenge for you, and it's a very good thing. That's what I think about the privatization.